Hello everyone. Have you ever finished a biology paper and thought, I knew this answer. Why did I make it wrong? So the problem usually isn't a lack of knowledge. It's avoidable mistakes. In this video, we will show you that the most common mistakes the NEET aspirants do in the biology and how to avoid them so that you can improve your score without studying an extra hours. So let us start with this video. Mistake number 1. Not reading NCERT line by line is one. Most students depend upon coaching notes, but in NEET, you should remember that even a single overlooked sentence may become a question. So for this, what we have to do? What is the solution for this? Read every line. So highlight important key facts and revise NCERT multiple times. Mistake number 2. Ignoring diagrams. So many students read only the text. They read only the text, but NEET questions frequently are asked based on labels of your diagrams, structures, then flow charts, cycles. And for this, what we have to do? The solution is study every NCERT diagram so that you can go throughout the book and then each page you have to concentrate and don't read just the paragraph around that. So go through all the labelings, even the summary, whatever box is given also with all the flow charts. Mistake number 3. Memorizing without understanding. So students try to mug up everything. So result, they forget during the exam. So what is the solution for this? The main solution is understand why, where, how before you are memorizing the things. So this problem can be solved by the solution. Next one. So not solving previous year questions. This is most important. Most of the students do read all the NCERT, but they do not solve the PYQ. But PYQs reveal repeated concepts, important topics, and examiners' thinking. So the solution is solve at least 20 to 30 biology PYQs every single day. So next mistake we will see. Ignoring assertion, reason, and statement-based questions. Modern NEET increasingly uses statement-based questions to check the student's accuracy. So students often assume it and attempt the question instead of reading carefully. So for this solution, what we can do? Practice statement-based MCQs regularly. Mistake number 6, skipping revision. So reading once isn't enough. So without revision, you will forget a large portion within weeks. So what we can do, the solution for this? Revise the chapters first day, then next go for day 3, then go for day 7, and then go for day 15, and then revise it again at the day 30 so that you can solve this problem. So next is 7th mistake. Many students studying only favorite chapters. Many students skip difficult chapters. Like example, we can say there are many difficult chapters like molecular basis of inheritance and other things. So photosynthesis, etc. So many students skip these chapters. Unfortunately, NEET doesn't. So you should remember that NEET, you cannot expect the NEET questions from which chapter it is. So always they will ask the questions from each chapter. So solution is cover the complete syllabus so that you can attempt many questions. Next, mistake number 8, ignoring NCERT tables. So what happens is many direct questions come from tables, then comparisons, summaries. So solution for this is revise every NCERT table. So if you solve that one, easily you can attempt more number of questions very quickly. Next mistake. Mistake number 9. So guessing instead of eliminating. So random guessing often leads to negative marking. Remember, the solution for this is use a technique called elimination method. So as you go on eliminating, you'll get the correct answer. Remove impossible options first, then you'll get the answer. So next mistake, not analyzing the mock test. Mistake number 10. Many students only check their score. Top rankers check why was it wrong? Why was it correct? Which chapter is weak? And was it a silly mistake or a concept error? So like this, you can solve this, and after every mock, ask, was it a silly mistake or a concept error? So then you can solve this. Which chapter is weak? So mistake number 11. So here, ignoring ecology and plant physiology chapters. These are very boring, but students think that these chapters are less important, but together they contribute many questions. Never skip them. Next mistake. Mistake number 12. Not learning scientific names. Scientific names are directly tested. So you can score this without losing if they are easy. So what you have to do? Keep a separate notebook. From class 11 only, you should keep a separate notebook exclusively for scientific names. Record them, repeat them, and easily you can solve this problem. So mistake number 13. Confusing similar terms. So like example, I'll tell you how you get confused, like sporophyte versus gametophyte, xylem versus phloem, or C3 versus C4, mitosis versus meiosis. So this type of questions cost marks in seconds. So what you have to do is prepare side by side comparison charts for this type of questions for very confusing pairs. Make them a record and then easily you can avoid this mistake. Mistake number 14. Reading too many books. Some students study from 5 books, coaching books, notes, multiple PDFs. You have a lot of available resources in online. But the most important thing is, best strategy is read NCERT first and have one MCQ question bank and then solve PYQs. And after this, you can go for other books. First follow one book, MCQ book, and that's enough for most of the NEET aspirants. And the last mistake number 15, poor time management during examination. So students spend too much time on difficult questions. So what to do for this? Solution is, there are 3 rounds. You can go with easy, moderate, and difficult. So attempt in 3 rounds. First easy questions, then go for moderate questions, and then go for difficult questions, and you can manage the time during the exam. So final advice. Remember, improving your NEET biology score. Always, it doesn't mean that studying more. It's about avoiding the mistakes that repeatedly cost you your marks. So choose these habits. Stay consistent with NCERT, solve MCQs every day, and analyze every test. So if this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to EXONMED, and share it with your friends. And text me and comment. Let me know in the comments which mistake have you been making during your exams. Also check out our NCERT line by line biology series and then chapter wise MCQ discussion to strengthen your preparation. Thank you. See you in the next video.